The KF102 GPS drone, a fantastic option for beginner drone pilots. If you've been wanting to get into aerial photography or just want a fun way to explore your surroundings, the KF102 might be the perfect drone for you. Before we dive into the details, we wanted to let you know that we'll have a link to the KF102 on AliExpress in the video description below. So, if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, be sure to check it out. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Here are 5 reasons why you should strongly consider the KF102 GPS drone. The KF102 is incredibly affordable, making it a great choice for those just getting started with drones. It packs a ton of features for the price, including a 4K camera. Although some sellers might advertise it as 4K, it actually shoots 1080p. A 2-axis gimbal for smooth footage, and a flight time of up to 25 minutes per battery. Plus, it has GPS auto return home, headless mode, and 1-key takeoff and landing, making it super easy to fly. Even though it's not quite 4K, the 1080p camera on the KF102 still captures stunning visuals. The 2-axis gimbal does a great job of stabilizing the footage, so you can expect crisp, clear shots even in windy conditions. The GPS auto return home feature ensures you'll never lose your drone, and the headless mode makes it easy to control regardless of which direction it's facing. Plus, the 1-key takeoff and landing functions are perfect for those who are still getting the hang of things. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes per battery, the KF102 gives you plenty of time to explore and capture amazing aerial footage. This is great compared to some beginner drones that only offer a few minutes of flight time. The KF102's foldable design makes it incredibly portable. This means you can easily take it with you on hikes, camping trips, or anywhere else you want to capture stunning aerial shots. 5 reasons why you should consider the KF102 GPS drone. It's a fantastic option for beginners and hobbyists alike, offering excellent value, a great camera, and a ton of user-friendly features. If you're looking for a fun and affordable way to get into drone flying, the KF102 is a great place to start. Don't forget to check the link in the description below if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more drone reviews.